you're looking for a coding assistant that can really streamline your workflow, Augment Code might just be what you need. But is it really the best AI coding assistant for teens, or just another overhyped tool? Let's find out. Augment Code is designed to assist teens in writing and reviewing code more efficiently. It leverages AI to help generate code snippets, debug issues, and even suggest optimizations. The platform feels intuitive, especially for teams that already use collaborative coding tools. Upon first glance, the user interface is clean, making it accessible for both novice and experienced developers. However, while the core functionality is solid, some areas feel a bit vague. For instance, the extent of the AI's learning capabilities and how it adapts to a specific team's coding style isn't entirely clear. Additionally, the integration process with existing development environments could use more detailed guidance. Overall, it seems tailored for teams looking for a boost in productivity. The lack of transparency on certain features may leave some users wanting more clarity. When it comes to strengths, Augment Code excels in its ease of use and the potential for enhancing team collaboration. The AI-driven suggestions can save time, especially during code reviews, which is a big plus. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some users might find the pricing a bit steep if they're a smaller team or just starting out. There's also a noticeable lack of customer feedback available online, which raises some trust concerns. Additionally, while it's great for generating code, more advanced users might find it lacking in depth for complex coding tasks. So, if you're a beginner or part of a small team, it could really work well for you, but more seasoned developers might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Augment Code is a promising tool for teams looking to enhance their coding efficiency. It's user-friendly and has potential, but the unclear details on some features and the pricing may deter some users. If you're part of a small to mid-sized team, it's worth a try, but advanced developers may want to explore other options.